When you make this Swiss and bacon dip, you will surely score big points from your guests at game night. It has a wonderful blend of cream cheese, mustard, and almond for that rich flavor. To make this dip, you would want to start by preheating the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Meanwhile, add the bacon into a large nonstick skillet and cook over medium to high heat until the bacon is crisp and brown. Drain it on paper towels once cooked, then set aside. Now into a large mixing bowl, add the cream cheese, mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, and green onions. Whisk the ingredients together, then add in the cooked bacon and Swiss cheese. Whisk to combine, then transfer it into a baking casserole. Spread it evenly before topping it with almond flakes. Now bake it in the oven for 15 to 18 minutes until golden and bubbly at the edges. Once baked, it is now ready to be served with crackers, biscuits, and dry bread. Don't forget to garnish it with chopped green onions. Enjoy! Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.